Have you ever copied a questions into a chatbot, got a generic answer and thought, that's not what I actually meant? That happens because many traditional chatbots are designed mainly for quick response. But Claude is different. In this lesson, you will learn what Claude really is. Claude is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic. Think of it as a system that can understand natural language, analyze information, reason through problems, and help you complete complex tasks through conversation. It can help with writing code, explaining algorithms, reviewing pull requests, generating documentations, summarizing research papers, planning projects, brainstorming idea, and learning new programming language. The important thing is that Claude is not limited to one domain. It can help between technical and non-technical tasks while maintaining the context of your conversation. We will cover all of this stuff gradually in this course, so don't worry.